how to use YouTube audio library for free music. Right now what you're seeing is a list of music that is freely available on the YouTube audio library. You can search from thousands of free copyright music and also search based on genres or artist names. To access this page, you just need to open up studio.youtube.com, or what you can also do is normally open up youtube.com, click on the profile icon on the top right, and head over to YouTube Studios. From the YouTube Studios list, scroll down and then you'll see the option of audio library. Once you're inside of the audio library, you can scroll down and try playing songs that you like. If you like a song, to download it, just click on the download option on the right hand side, and this song will be downloaded to your device. Similarly, you can also choose from genres. Click on the genres option, which is available on this filter option, and pick the genre that you like and click on apply. Now you're only going to see the particular genre of music that you selected. Similarly, to listen to video, click on this play track audio option, and to download it, click on the download button. And that's how easy it is to use YouTube audio library for free music. I hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.